is video number 2. And I heard you got pink eye. Oh, that sucks, buddy. Hey, Rofi. So, I hope you're feeling better from your pink eye, which is really, really gross.
Hey, Rofi. I just got off work. Sonic, I was thinking about you today and how you had pink eye, and when I think about it, boo, it just makes me want to say, ooh, gross. Ooh, gross.
Ew, gross. Ew, gross. Ooh, ooh, gross. Gross. Double gross. Ooh, gross. What now? Gross. Ooh, double time now. Gross. Gross, gross, gross. Ew, ew, gross, gross, gross.
Gross.
But anyways, I really do hope you're feeling better. And that's about it. Alright, well, later, dude. It's recording you. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't take a bite. Okay. Rofi.